Hi my dear friends! So, if your PC lacks a spare USB ports, or just like modding stuff, in today's video I would like to share an idea about how to modify keyboards by yourself. Specifically, how to make an additional USB ports in a keyboard. The scheme that we'll be using today should apply to most keyboards. We will try to keep it nice and simple. About $1 will be enough to do this mod. So, first up we will need a cheap USB hub. I bought one online just for $1. So, that is why it should not be too expensive but quite useful. And we will of course need a keyboard. So let's get started. First of all, we need to take apart the keyboards. Take off the back and start taking apart our USB hub. Now let's cut off 2 USB ports. We will not need them right now. Then we need to unsolder the wire from the USB hub. We will not need it too. Instead, we need to solder the keyboard's wires to the hub. By the way, if your colors match, you can connect black wires to black ones, red wires to red ones, green wires to green ones, and white ones to white ones. If the colors don't match, you can find the right pinouts on the web, or use a multimeter to test connectivity first. Now, solder the wires of one of the USB ports to our keyboards. In the end, we just need to drill a hole for the USB ports, feed the circuit boards, and then assemble the keyboards. So guys, our keyboard is ready. Let's test it out. As you can see, it functions as intended. And it doesn't interfere with the memory card while you're typing. Thank you so much for your attention. Run tests, try your best, and you will certainly succeed. Have a good day. See ya! Did you know? 8 buttons of the horizontal row along the middle of the keyboards are called the home row. These are the buttons you have to place your fingers on in order to type faster.